Hello, all of you. I'm Rosie. On the behalf of Solution Point, I'm going to share some vocabulary, essay vocabulary, especially for task 2. You can use them in your writings. So, first word which will help in your writing is delve. Delve here you will use as a verb to carry an intensive and thorough research for information and investigation. There are synonyms like research, inquire, investigate, explore, examine, probe. There are example for to use this word exactly. This essay delves into the issue, examine the arguments from both perspectives and reach a logical conclusion at the end. And next example is to delve into the issue of child labor laws. We have to ensure a sustainable economic format for underdeveloped countries like Nepal. So you can use delve as a word. Okay. Next word is in order to with the purpose of, and its synonyms are to and for. You can use them as an example like in order to reduce the population in the cities like cities area, new employment opportunity must be created in rural areas. And next example is the government should not waste any time in order to show our allies that we have taken plenty of initiation to tackle corruption. Next word here we are going to use concur. Concur as a verb. So its meaning is to agree, to accord the opinion. किसी चीज़ से भी सहमत होने के लिए आप use करेंगे. And its synonyms are agree or be in accordance. And there are examples too. These are I concur with the view that government should invest in this sector. And next example is they concur that smoking should be banned in all public places. Next word here we are going to use is curb, and there are two spellings for curb. First is CURB and next is KERB. So if you are using British, so it will KERB, and both we will use as a verb, and its meaning is as simple like to control, to restrain, to limit. किसी चीज़ को भी रोकना, काबू करना. And its synonyms are contain, hamper, restrain, control or tame. There are examples too. To curb the number of road accidents, the government has to strictly impose the traffic rules and regulations. And next word is this is due to curb the number of accidents that happen each year. So हमने यहाँ पे CURB and KERB दोनों को ही use करके बताया है. You can use any of them. Next word is to put it another way. That is a phrase you can use to improve your writing, to explain something in a very different way. Put to another way. Synonym is paraphrase and put it another way. Examples are to put in another way, whether we like it or not. The authority is going to impose a heavy tax on the citizens. And another example is to put it another way. This is one of the major cause of the greenhouse effect. कि हम इसे ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करें, दूसरी तरीके से अगर बताना चाहें तो हम ये इसका इन्फॉर्मेशन आप दे सकते हैं इस तरह से. Furthermore is a very common adverb. You can use it in addition, moreover, beside, also, what is more. ये सभी इसके ही एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जहाँ आप पंच दे सकते हैं अपनी राइटिंग्स के अंदर. देर आर एग्जाम्पल्स टू. Furthermore, the advancement in technology has reduced the time required to prepare our food. And next example is furthermore, women have a natural quality of being kind and helpful to the children. This is a way you can use. अनदर की थिंग टू रिमेंबर, ये भी एक कीवर्ड ही है, पंचिंग वर्ड ही इसे आप कह सकते हैं, जब अपना टॉपिक को हाईलाइट करने के लिए एक अच्छा आइडिया देने वाले हैं. अनदर की थिंग टू रिमेंबर, कि आप इस फैक्टर को भी ज़्यादा रिमेंबर करेंगे सो दैट एग्जामिनर का ध्यान आपकी राइटिंग पे रहे. इज़ दैट space research cost a huge amount of money which could be utilized to enhance the living standard of the citizen. And another key point is to remember here is that environmental damage these cheap flight cause. Okay, so another word we are going to is having said that. ये एक फ्रेज है दोबारा से, डिस्पाइट वट हैज़ बीन सेड, जो पहले ही कह चुका है उसी को आप कंपैरिजन में कह रहे हैं कि पहले मैं एग्री तो हुआ था बट हाउएवर हैविंग सेड दैट, इसके बावजूद भी मैं ये कहने वाला हूँ. So examples are technology has also a dark side and this is why we should be wary of its use in our daily life. Next is the government in my opinion has a vital role to play to the fight in the crime. But having said that, mass people also have a come forward and contribute to the fight that crime and corruption as well. Next word, last सेकेंड लास्ट वर्ड इज वेनिट्रेट. वेनिट्रेट इज अ वर्ब आप यूज कर रहे हैं रिवेयर, रिगार्ड एंड रिस्पेक्ट. एंड सिनोनिम इज रिस्पेक्ट, वर्शिप, रिवर्स, ऑनर. किसी को भी इज्जत देने के लिए आप यूज कर सकते हैं. द गवर्नमेंट यंग जनरेशन वेनिट्रेट दो स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स एंड ओफन मिमिक देयर प्लेइंग स्टाइल, फैशन एंड लाइफ स्टाइल. कि यंग जनरेशन इनको इमिटेट करती है, इनको कॉपी करने के लिए, इनको कॉपी करके इनका रिगार्ड करती है, इनकी इज्जत देती है. Our veneration for our politicians and leaders are declining faster and this is quite alarming. ये काफ़ी खतरे की बात है. Next is invoke is a kind of to pray, appeal to, call someone as witness, and its synonym is adjure, summon, implore. Examples are the announcement might invoke the both positive and negative impression of the mass people, and this action invoke negative consequences that we must नोट फॉरगेट कि ये चीज़ें इस चीज़ को प्रोवोक कर सकते हैं, बढ़ावा दे सकती हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप इन्वोक चूज़ कर सकते हैं. वी विल मीट यू इन अनदर वीडियो. टिल देन आप इन वर्ड्स को प्रिपेयर करके रखिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.